who couldn't use an easy way to make cash quickly. These 10 options will enable you to grab some green quickly when the paycheck is not enough, whether it's an added expense that set you back or you're saving up for a special occasion. There are some really great ways that you can make a profit in less than an hour of your time. When you need money now, these are your best options for how to make money in 1 hour. Sell and use gift cards. One of the most untapped resources for fast cash are those gift cards you're unlikely to use. Selling your gift cards, even for a discount, will net you easy money. You can post them on sites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and others. With apps like PayPal and Venmo, you can get quick cash. 2. Fill out online surveys. Have a little extra time on your hands. Online surveys are a quick way to earn, as companies and websites are always looking to get consumer feedback. Sites like Survey Junkie and Opinion Outpost offer either cash and rewards for filling out surveys that can take as little as a few minutes. Return a recent purchase. If you splurged recently and the item is in good shape, returning it will put some cash back in your pocket. Maybe it's a new top you haven't worn yet, or maybe it's a new video game you haven't played. Either way, the money you spend on something you may not need can be returned in order to be used on something that is more pressing. Sell your gold. According to website emmadrew.com, selling gold can net you some quick money. Collect the gold items you no longer wear and bring them to a local jeweler who specializes in the precious metal. However, check the carat as well as the prices before you go, so you know how much you are poised to make. Additionally, if you have spare diamonds, they may be able to fetch you a price as well. Cash in your change. How to make money in 1 hour. This may be obvious, but it's true. The change that's been building up in your change jar, pocketbook, and under your couch cushions can add up to a really surprising amount of money. With coin counting machines available at places like supermarkets and banks, you can turn that change into bills in only a few minutes. Let Go. Apps like Let Go, OfferUp, and Facebook Marketplace allow you to get cash for things you no longer need or want. And the best part is that people jump on items pretty quickly. So whether it's a purse, a pasta bowl, or a television, you can literally clean up your life and make some money doing it too. A word of wisdom, however, is to list the item slightly more than you actually want to sell it for. Haggling happens frequently on these apps as people are looking for the best price. 2. Review your finances. Yes, reviewing your finances can actually help you make money. First of all, looking at your bank statement will help you figure out where you can cut costs. Do you have a gym membership but barely make it to the gym? Cut it! But it can also help you find out if you're spending money you never even knew about. For example, did a free trial of something turn into a monthly charge? Give the company a call and cancel it, but also see if they can refund you any of the dollars you unknowingly already spent. Chances are they will. Do some online work. According to listenmoneymatters.com, there are numerous websites that will pay you to complete tasks for them. TaskRabbit and Upwork are just two of these sites in which jobs are listed. Some sites will ask you to bid on jobs. Others play a flat fee. Go door to door. Old school, but this strategy can work year-round. Head out in your neighborhood and simply go door to door asking if anyone needs work done. Clean the gutters, mow the lawn, maybe even walk the dog. The needs of people may surprise you and can make you some cash. 2. It may also turn into a recurring visit, which can bring in even more money.